Hi everybody, this is the second video on the 5-Minute Family History channel that we've created for the ward. The first video went through how to log into Family Search and navigate your tree in the most simplest form. So this is kind of where we left off in the fan chart version or view. For this video, we're going to show you how to find and take names to the temple. And for this video, we're going to go up here to this drop-down list and use portrait instead of fan chart. And the reason for that is you can see all of these action buttons that pop up. In this view, we've already gone a ways down our line, and we found a few action buttons that we can use to take the temple. So first of all, you're going to find the temple symbol, and then they'll be colored according to whether or not they're ready or need work or in progress. So blue, the blue temple means it's already in progress. Somebody's got this reserved, it's at the temple. You'll see an orange temple sometimes, and that means it needs work, it needs some fixing. And then the green temples typically mean that you are ready to take that to the temple. All the information's correct and nothing's duplicated and everything's ready for you to reserve it and take it to the temple. So for William and Janet, we can select the green temple button, and you can see that William Smith has all of these in green: baptism, confirmation, initiatory, and endowment ready to be reserved. However, you can see on Janet Smith, she's got some duplicates. Even though all the information's there, you'd have to clear out duplicates first and make sure all the information is singular and correct.
Right, and then another thing that might be preventing you from being able to reserve these names is if that person was born in the last 110 years. And if that's the case, then you have to get permission from the closest living relative to take those names to the temple.
Okay, so let's say we are going to the temple and we're ready to reserve these guys. So we'll select, actually, let's just go back out. Let's just select William Smith, go right into his profile, select his name again. It'll bring up his just William Smith's profile. And up here, you're gonna have to navigate these tabs to ordinances. So we wanna be on ordinances, and then you can see that these ones are ready to go. So you can hit the request button, hit reserve all, and then make sure that's selected, and then you can hit request. You can read through this church policy and make sure that you're following the rules, and then hit accept. Okay, now it shows them in blue, which means we've reserved them and they're in progress. So I'm gonna go ahead and print for William Smith all of these out to take the temple, hit the print drop down, select print family name cards, and then say, if you're going to take them all, you want to do baptisms, confirmations, initiatory, and endowment, then you can leave them all selected. Say I just want to do baptism and confirmation. So I'll deselect initiatory and endowment, hit continue, continue again, and then it'll bring you to this 8.5 by 11 printout PDF that you can use your own printer to either just print out and then cut out the card and take to the temple. Or if you don't have a printer, you can take a photo or write down this number down here and take that number to the temple, and they'll print them out for you at the temple. So you don't need a printer of your own. And then the last thing would be, say I've reserved these accidentally or else I am not going to the temple, then you're going to want to unreserve those so somebody else can take them. So all you have to do is go back into the person's profile, hit unreserve ordinances, and everything's back to normal.